Methionine is a required amino acid for lactating dairy cows. Since it was first added to ruminant diets, Adiseo has led the research on understanding and satisfying a cow's need for this required nutrient. Increased milk volume, protein, and fat is the most commonly recognized benefit of methionine. But methionine is definitely more than milk. Fat can build up in a cow's liver prior to calving and can be rapidly mobilized postpartum. Methionine works to help efficiently export fat out of the liver to minimize the risk of metabolic disorders. The intensity of metabolism in a lactating dairy cow can build up damaging metabolites. Methionine is a key intermediate to form antioxidants that combat those challenges. During pregnancy, many embryos are lost due to a lack of required nutrients. With methionine, embryos grow bigger and more survive. With its ability to improve the performance, reproduction, and overall health of a cow, it's crucial to deliver methionine in the optimal way. Adiseo makes two methionine products for dairy cow ration formulation, Smartamine M and Metasmart. Smartamine M is an encapsulated methionine with a special coating that protects it from microbial degradation. It can be mixed into grain, protein, and base mixes but cannot be pelleted. After leaving the rumen intact, the acidic conditions in the abomasum fully release the methionine to be absorbed in the small intestines. With this process, Smartamine M delivers the highest bioavailability rate of any product on the market.
Right off the bat, I saw the value in amino acid balancing, primarily from a productive response standpoint. I fed both Smartamine and Metasmart, and I think both technologies are outstanding with regards to getting production responses. We typically see anywhere from 1/10 to 2/10 of a point improvement in milk protein. The value of milk protein over the last 20 years, we typically see a minimum of a 2-to-1 return on investment.
Metasmart is an ester of the methionine analog and is available in liquid and dry forms. It can be used in multiple types of feed and is the only product that can be pelleted. For liquid application, Adiseo provides custom-engineered delivery systems. Once ingested, 50% of Metasmart is absorbed across the rumen wall to provide metabolizable methionine. The other 50% is utilized in the rumen to benefit rumen fermentation.
Primarily, I use Metasmart in my diets. It's a nice tool that I like to use to help my producers be more profitable, especially in light of some of the component pricing that we have. We can get more on-farm income by balancing rations with for amino acids. And one of the exciting things is some of the developments in dry cow nutrition where we can start balancing dry cow diets to try to gain some better handle on metabolics.
Well, every time I put that in to a ration that has not had amino acid balancing before, we get a point of protein. We just get a point of protein. We get about a couple of pounds of milk usually, and then sometimes we also get butterfat. It's just how that product works, but you gotta know how to use it. Before I started, 10 years ago, before I started with the current company I'm with, I didn't know how to use it and I wasn't getting the results. But now with the help of Adiseo and some of the other things that we've been doing, we always get the results.
With gains in performance, reproduction, and the overall health of a cow, it's clear there's a case for methionine use. And the case is more than milk.